want to find meaning and purpose in your life? You want to make strides toward your goals, but you're not sure how, or you're feeling a little overwhelmed? Well, hey, I'm your guy. I'm Ashton, and I've personally turned my own life around and gotten myself to a place where I am the most happiest I've ever been, and I am living my dreams. I haven't only done it for myself, I've done it for my clients, my friends, and even members of my family. I know people and I've helped people that are living internationally and getting booked on modeling and acting gigs, and they're truly living their wildest dreams. On this channel, we're gonna set goals. We're gonna get you right on track. We're gonna ease your mind. We're going to manifest great things together, and we're gonna increase your get up and go about you. Together, we're creating something great, and that's your most astonishing life. Go ahead and hit subscribe, and we're gonna do something great here.